Since you have finished your 6 letters and the sound for your part 1, okay, now we will do a activity regarding all your letters. We have done your activity for your single letter and your sound, isn't it? Yes. So we know this is all put together, all your letters and all your sounds. Now your first picture, see, you can see some pictures over here. Yes, and you also have your letter and your sound. Now according to your letter and your sound, or according with the picture, we need to match your picture to the sound. All right, once again we need to match your picture to your group 1 sounds. First one, you have a penguin. You have a penguin. Now can you tell me, children, what is the sound? That is penguin. What is your letter and sound for penguin? Okay, if you're finding it a bit difficult, I will show you the action and I will say the name for your first picture, so you will know what is the sound. Okay, now it is penguin. Penguin. Yes, you got it now, right? Yes. So your letter is T and your sound is P, right? So shall we match it over there? Now we will match your first picture, penguin, the letter is P and your sound. Okay. Next one, yes, what is your picture over here? It's a tree. Now what can be the letter and the sound for this picture? It's tree. What is the letter and the sound for the picture tree? Tree. So what was the action that we learned for that? Tree. Yes. So your letter is correct, T, and your sound is T, right? So shall we match it over here? Okay. Next one, you have an insect. You have an insect. Now what can be the letter and your sound for insect? For this picture, insect. Insect. What is the letter and the sound for insect? Yes, it is I and your sound is A. So shall we match I and your sound? Okay. Again, next we have a necklace. We have a necklace, a picture of a necklace. Now what can be the letter which you should match with it? Your necklace, that is what can be the letter which you can match with necklace. Necklace. Yes, you learn the action. So what is it? Right, it is, yes, it is N and your sound So shall we match it now? Okay, good. Next picture is an apple. Yeah, apple. So what is the sound or the letter which you need to match it with? Apple. Yes, that's easy. It is letter A and your sound A. So we are going to match apple with the letter and the sound over here. Yes. Now again you have, yes, iguana. What do you have over here? Iguana. So what is iguana starting with? What is your letter? Iguana. Yes, it is, yes, I with your sound A. Iguana. So shall we match it? Now see your children, yeah, it was just a small mistake. It's actually, this is a spider, isn't it? It's a spider, and that is what you learned first, S. So what is the sound for spider? What is the sound? Yes, S is your letter and spider. So we actually supposed to match this over here. Spider, okay, and your iguana is supposed to be matched over here. I, okay, it's a small mistake. Now next one, you have another activity to be done here. See children, your first, with the help of your picture, you can know what is the word. Now what is this picture? You have a dash and you have your alphabets A and T, S. Now what is the picture over here that you can see? Yes, it is a pant. Pant. So what is the alphabet that you need to, the sound that you need to write here? It's pants. Right, you need to write P. Pants. It's pants. Next one, you have P and dash and NS. What is the picture that you can see here? Yes, you can see some, yes, what you can see? You can see some pins over there. Yes, now what will be the alphabet that you need to fill in here? It's pins. What is the alphabet? Right, you need to fill it as I. Now first one you have finished as pants, okay, you have finished as, we have written P and with the help of your picture, pants. Now next one, we have here again P, you have a dash and N, S. So what is the picture that you can see here children? Yes, you can see two pans. Yes, it is two pans are there. Now so what can be the letter or the sound that you're going to write here? Pants. So what can be the sound? A. Yes. So you need to write your sound A. Alright? Yes. Now we go to the next one. You can see the picture of two pins. You can see picture of pins. Now again you have P dash N S. So what can you write there? Pins. Yes, your sound is A. Pins. A. Alright, now so you have written your sound. Your last one is A-N and dash. So what is the picture that you can see over there? Yes, you can see the picture of an ant. So A-N. So what is the sound that you can going to write over there? Ant. Yes, so your sound. Your sound. Okay, so you have finished even this activity. So activities according, you need to see your pictures and fill in with your sound.